This is Anand from Geekstick. This is to show consuming messages from topics in Spring Boot application.
Hi. In the last video, we have seen how to publish messages to the Kafka topic. Now we are going to see how we are going to consume messages in our Spring Boot application. The code base is almost same. Let us get into the code. As I said, I am using the Gradle build. So here I am using this Spring Kafka. That's it. And remaining everything is same, because as I am using the core, for that XML and JSON, I am using this. Then Spring Boot Starter Web, nothing else. Let us go one by one. This Kafka configuration, as I'm going to use some class, the user class, I'm created this name and department, the user object. So it's a very simple class, very primitive, basic class structure only. And the Kafka consumer, here I am going to use, read from the two topics. For example, if it belongs to test, then it's a string messages only. In case of the new test, here I will be consuming the user object like this. Else it's a regular string. In case of test, a regular string. In case of new test, it's a object, user object. And how it is written, it's a straightforward. The component scan. First I need to add this decorator. In the component scan, I'm using com example, first a Kafka config, then the resource. That's it. Here, we can see it in the log when we are in the console. We can see when we are executing that Spring Boot app, we can see. Then finally, the Kafka consumer we have seen. Let us see the configuration, because the Kafka configuration is the key here. Enable Kafka, we need to add this decorator. Then the configuration. Here I need to create, there are two things in this configuration, because that is the beauty of this framework. In the bean consumer factory, then concurrent Kafka listener container factory. That's it. Yeah, it's a key value pair. Here string I am giving. Then it going to connect to this server. As I said, it's a group ID. I need to give some group ID. Then I am giving the key is also string. The value is also string. Then how it will be used? Because from this listener only, the consumer factory will be used. I'm setting it to the consumer factory. In case of string, it will be when key value is a string, it will be using this concurrent Kafka listener container factory. Here, then it will call this respective consumer factory. Likewise, in case of string and object, we need to write it will be called from its respective concurrent Kafka listener container factory. That's it. Yeah, let us get into the demo. The first I need to start the Zookeeper. Then I need to start the server here, Kafka server. And for your information, here what I am going to do from the Gradle task, I will create the boot job. Now in this session, Zookeeper is running, here server is running. Here what we are trying to do is I'm going to use producer. The last one, after creating Zookeeper and server, I started the consumer, but now I'm going to start only a producer. Now I'm going to start my application, Kafka consumer. Now what happened? I started both the new test and also the test. First, let me send this the JSON message, the JSON format, name, date. Let's see. Yes, the consumed JSON message, because it is coming from this topic in the new test. Now let me do it from here. See, now just consumed message. So if it comes from the new test, it will be treated as a JSON message. If it's come from the test topic, it will be regular string message. Let's try once more. Geekstick. Yes. Because Geekstick never goes wrong. Now I am adding one more messages over here. R&D1, A1. See, here it got JSON message, Geekstick, consume message. Let me pass one more message. R&D2. Here, whatever the message I pass, I think it will come. Yes, consumed message. Because though I am sending a JSON format, it will be treated. But when it comes to JSON, it will be looking for a specific format. Yes, R&D3. So I hope you would have understood how we can parallelly consume messages used from that same consumer Spring Boot application. If you have any questions, please add it into the comment. Then I will reply at the earliest. Have a nice day. Bye.